Core Compliance Platform, called Core for short, is a unique online software designed to help small businesses manage their ISO 27001 implementation, compliance, and certification. Core provides a visual checklist that walks your organization through the 4 phases of implementing the ISO 27001 requirements. The system includes a visual dashboard so that you know your progress at any time. In addition, your consultant walks you step by step through the certification process. The Core platform provides sample policies, procedures, and the documentation needed to be completed for certification. Housed in Core is the Core Resource Library. It features information security management system training for employees, plus valuable resources for your implementation. In addition, Core provides access to the Core Learning Center for your operational and technical training of the ISO 27001 requirements applicable to your organization. The Learning Center even includes a thorough review of ISO 27001 Annex A controls. Core provides an organized system to manage and control your documents, which is an important information security management system requirement. You can run your business more smoothly with complete document and record control in Core. Core features many autoforms that help you manage key processes related to ISO 27001 compliance, such as security incident management, security change log, security risk register, asset management, and corrective action requests. The Core platform houses all the tools, policies, procedures, and documentation related to implementing and maintaining your management system. Now, if you want to see inside Core, keep watching.
When you log into the Core platform, you will find that the account is set up specifically to help you with ISO 27001 certification. Let's take a look. So as you open the system, you will find a number of folders along the left-hand side for you to manage the documentation and records needed for ISO 27001, which would include the security manual, the policies, and the risk assessment that's necessary for certification. You'll also find a number of autoforms available for tracking of changes, incidents, and corrective actions. You'll also see that you could track supplier risk and supplier security. Let's take a look at an example here in the risk register. This is where you'll be able to track the details regarding the specific risk, the treatment approach you're going to take to correct that problem, the actions necessary to get it resolved, and an evaluation and closure step. Each of the autoforms allows you to keep track of specific information and generate a number of reports that will let you keep tabs on how your information security management system is operating. Next, we're going to take a look at the project checklist, which outlines the overall project for implementing your ISO 27001 information security management system. There are 4 phases to the project: plan, implement, review, and certify. Each of these phases is broken up into steps and tasks as we work through towards certification, along with video instruction as you go through. As you work through each of these steps, the tasks are available to mark complete, and that then helps to move the status of the project toward completion. If your management would like to see a summary of the project status, you're able to bring up a management summary that highlights the most important aspects of the project. The next area we'll look at are the various resources found under the green question mark. The first is the Core Resource Library. The Core Resource Library includes training for employees, along with an extensive library of documentation that provides examples of policies, manuals, procedures, forms that might be necessary to prepare for certification. The next resource we'll look at is the Core Learning Center. The Core Learning Center is where you will find training that's available for your management, employees, your project leads, and your IT staff that walks through the entire ISO 27001 standard, including the 114 controls of the ISO 27001 Annex A. Each of those controls has specific video instruction available to help you understand the technical requirements of being fully in compliance. Finally, we'll look at the Core Community Forum which gives you access to webcasts, peer discussions, and continuing learning opportunities to help you once you're maintaining your ISO 27001 certification. So you can see there are many resources available in Core for your ISO 27001 implementation that includes help with your certification and compliance.
Some of the key benefits of Core are: it keeps you on top of your ISO 27001 requirements because the platform is updated as requirements change. It greatly simplifies certification preparation with our 4-step process. Core includes an interactive, video-based training learning center with certificates of completion for everyone on your team. What's great about Core is there's nothing to install or maintain. Your implementation team has visibility of documents and records. It provides easy access to real-time information. It provides dashboard views and charts and graphs for key metrics. And Core generates all the documents needed to be ISO 27001 compliant. The Core Compliance Platform is included with all of our consulting programs, or can be purchased separately. Not only do we use it ourselves to maintain our certifications, but the majority of our consulting customers choose to continue using Core for ongoing maintenance and improvement of their management systems. Core is secure, easy to use, and provides everything you need to achieve and maintain ISO 27001 certification during implementation and for years to come. If you'd like a more detailed demonstration of the software, a quote, or have questions, please call 866-354-0300.